Hi, I'm Sarah from sewingmastery.com, and we are going to start filming all the videos for the Singer Fashion Mate 3342. So what we do is we make a list of every item that's in the manual, and then we do a short video on every topic. So if you learn better by watching somebody show you, these videos are perfect. You can check out other videos that we've done on other Singers, Berninas, Vikings, Pfaffs, and even some Brothers sewing machines and sergers. Check out our website, sewingmastery.com. I also do some online courses, so we'll put links below this YouTube video where you can check out other things like how to use more accessory feet, how to expand the use of the decorative stitches that you have on your sewing machine. Like the quilts behind me, they are from our Stitching Cosmos online course. Those are all sewing techniques. So if you want to learn more about your machine and maybe feet you already own, this is the course for you. So I hope you'll check it out. Check out all of our videos that we have done for this machine. So this machine, I was looking over what comes with it, which we're about ready to open up and see specifically. I'm noticing there are 5 additional presser feet that come with it. There's 32 stitches with this machine. It has a drop-in bobbin. That's one of the easier ways to put your bobbin in and out of the machine. And there's even a needle threader, and that just makes my life easier as I'm switching between different threads, just that quick needle threader. And I'm a fan of buttonholes. Now I usually don't use them for clothing options, but the decorative use of buttonholes or weaving ribbon between buttonholes or using them for home dec. This has got an automatic buttonhole option on the machine. So let's just take a look at what comes with it. We've got some basic information, which I do know that usually the manual you can print off online unless I find one in here. But this is got a little dust cover on the side of it. And being that this is packed this particular way, we're going to do a little flip over and let gravity help us get it out of the box. Got a little bag of accessories that we'll go through. So we'll take one video and go through each accessory, what it's for, what you'll be using it for, and then we'll go into the video that we actually do for every one of those accessories. So like even just how to sew a button on. There's a button sew on foot. I mentioned the buttonholes. There's a buttonhole foot. So how do you set it for the perfect length of buttonhole for you? All right, so this is super easy packed up. And you'll see that inside the machine here is where the foot control and power cord will be. So we're going to get this all set up, plugged in. And the first thing we're going to do is get you to threading it correctly, how to wind a bobbin, and how to get that bobbin in the bobbin area. Because if you don't do it right, the machines don't work. So if you follow these step-by-step videos, you are going to be an expert with this machine. I can't wait to sit down and spend a couple days learning every corner of the machine. I hope you'll join me.